Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about carboxylic acids. So let us recall alkane, alkene and alcohol. You know the functional group alkyl, alkenyl and hydroxyl. You know the formula RH, double bond and ROH. You know the general formula CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n, CnH2n plus 1 OH. You know the examples ethane, ethene and methanol. You know the suffix also ane, ene and all. Now I will start with the carboxylic acid. What are carboxylic acid? It belongs to a homologous series of organic compounds similar to alkanes, alkenes and alcohols. The hydrocarbon chain contains the functional group COOH carbonyl group. So in this structure you can see here the red area COOH, and that is the functional group of carboxylic acid. For example, CH3COOH and CH3CO2H. Now nomenclature of the carboxylic acid: methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid. So naming carboxylic acid, you have ethane, you just convert one carbon to ethanoic acid. So similar to its alcohol, colorless liquid at room temperature and relatively low boiling point of 180 degrees Celsius. This is the characteristic properties of physical properties of ethanoic acid. Completely miscible, able to dissolve in water, has a characteristic sourish smell, is a weak acid of pH 3. Now it's time to predict the discussion. Are carboxylic acid the same as the acid we have learned about in the chapter on acid and bases? Watch and observe. Video of demonstrations. Chemical properties of carboxylic acid. A carboxylic acid is weak. Its reactions produce the same outcome as those learned from the chapter of acid, bases and salt. But the reactions are less vigorous. Acid properties. Weak acid, pH approximately 3. Most of the acid molecules are unionizing water. For example, solution of ethanoic acid, pure acid, thousands, at that time 0 form. In acid water 99.6 gave 4. So reaction with bases to form a salt and water. Acid react with sodium hydroxide forming the salt and water. Reaction with reactive metals to form a salt and hydrogens. You can see two molecules acetic acid combined with the magnesium forming the salt and hydrogen gas removed. So reaction with carbonate to form a salt, carbon dioxide and water. Now uses of carboxylic acid. Friends, ethanoic acid is the most important organic acid, you know that. It is used in vinegar as a preservative and flavoring agents. So other important organic acid, lactic acid, you know where it is found, sour milk. Oxalic acid, you know the rhubarb plants. Citric acid, limes and lemons. Formic acid, insect bites. Tartaric acid, grapes juice. Acetic acid, vinegar. And malic acid, apples and pears. This is very beautiful slide. Just remember it for general competitive examinations. Now friends, another uses of organic acid: making of drugs, dyes, paint, insecticides and plastic. Making of esters. You can see in this picture. So friends, I will talk about the esters. This is a derivative of acid. The esterification, you know carboxylic acid react with alcohols to form esters in the presence of few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid as a catalyst. General equation: acid alcohol give ester in water. What are esters? This is the questions. Have the general formula RCOOR. You can see here. This is the functional group of ester. How to name ester? Alcohol carboxylate give ester in water. Alkanol alkonic acid give alkyl alkanoate and water. ROH react with RCOOH give the RCOOR plus water. So this is the reactions. You can see the esterification reactions. So ester, you know chemical name methyl ethanoate. So this is the structure formula. Methanol, ethanoic acid, alcohol used. So time to watch and predict again. Are ester acidic, neutral or basic? Now video of demonstrations. Properties of esters. Esters are neutral compounds with a sweet smell, colorless and insoluble in water. Uses of esters: fruity flavors for perfumes, sweets, drinks and cakes. Artificial pineapple flavor is an ester made from the ethanol and butanoic acid called ethyl butanoate. Solvent for organic compounds such as glues, varnishes and paints. So this is a summary of my lectures. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.